Hello everyone, welcome to All Aboard. We are launching our RBI Grade B 2025 Phase 2 crash course. This will be with books. Let me just quickly share the course highlights with you. You'll be getting the live classes and video sessions, 80 plus live sessions for covering your ESI and FM, static as well as the current affair. 40 plus live session for covering your descriptive ESI, FM and English. 20 plus live and recorded session for your ESI, finance and management MCQs. This will be including everything. RBI and SEBI MCQs, PIB news, schemes and report. You'll be getting a 24/7 access to all the recorded videos of the classes for revision purpose. And if I talk about the current affairs, 3 downloadable monthly magazine which includes general awareness, scheme, report, PIB, ESI and your RBI notification. You'll be also getting notes, 60 plus detailed notes for your ESI and FM. Printed ESI and FM booklets will also be sent to you by post within 10 days of the purchase. Downloadable ebooks will be there for the previous year question and the model descriptive answers. If I talk about the mock test, 30 phase 2 ESI and FM objective full length mock test will be included and 30 full length descriptive test will also be there. 75 plus topic test is also there related to ESI and FM. 8 ESI and FM previous year question test are also included in this course, that too with solution and with analysis. Then if I talk about the mock test plus your interview guidance session, that too with the experts will also be covered in this particular course. Medium will be completely in English and the validity will be until the RBI Grade B Phase 2 exams conclude. Right? So I invite you all to join this course. Thank you so much.